Hello?
Shuttle arriving in 5.
Okay, we will be down in a sec. Daddy Wolf, wake up.
Okay, Diane, wait just a second. That's some good Corona Extra.
Mr. Wolf, I told you to slow down on the Corona Extra.
Come on, it ain't hurting nobody.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Let me see your password, Jen.
Sure, here you go.
Alright, Martin Francisco Rodriguez Lopez. Alright, that's a good J right there. Let's see what else we got here. Diane Foxington, American, born in Uruguay. Alright, you guys may pass.
Attention, now boarding. Flight 468, service to Frankfurt.
That's as we have to hurry.
Hello, attention all passengers of Port Flight 468, service to Frankfurt. We welcome you aboard our 747. Today our flight time today will be around 8 hours. Our beautiful captain here, Daddy Wolf, and our purser, Miss Diane Foxington, will be taking care of us all today. We hope you enjoy your flight and thank you again for flying our airline, Lufthansa.
Okay, clear to Providence, LH Kennedy 1, runway heading 1.5, turn heading 100, radar vectors wavy, direct J174 Wellington, direct Charlie Lima Bravo AR3, UCAR Lima 463, maintain 5000, 36 10, 1541, walk with Yankee JetBlue 855.
Can I get you anything to drink, sir?
Can I have a beer?
I'm sorry, sir, we can't serve alcohol to minors.
You hear something?
Probably just the wind.
Surprise, mother.
Breaking news today, a Lufthansa 747 jet on the route from JFK to Frankfurt crashes dramatically in the fields of a nearby village in Greenland. The authorities have stated that the crash was caused by Professor Marmalade causing a distraction in the cabin. Professor Marmalade, once known as the best citizen, is now being known nationwide as a psychopath. As the crash did look fatal, there was only one fatality, that being Professor Marmalade. Flight attendant Diane Foxington had made a statement saying that the disruption was caused because Professor Marmalade did not receive the alcohol he had asked for. Hundreds are injured but only one is dead, a complete miracle. This is Portia Crystal reporting live.